everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now imagine you receive multiple inquiries from your customers on Facebook Messenger on your Facebook page of your business. Now you want to keep the track of all the messages that you receive in a systematic order inside your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming part because you don't know when you will receive the inquiry, how you can follow up with the inquiry, whether you have received the inquiry or not. You want to create the proper systematic record of all the messages inside your Microsoft Excel worksheet. Now this is beneficial for business over here as well. Imagine you receive multiple inquiries anytime, and because you receive so many inquiries, you're lost and you don't have the count of how many inquiries you have resolved or replied to. In your spreadsheet, you can see the numbers like this, how many inquiries you have received, and you can see, yeah, I've replied to this one, I've not replied to this one. So you can tally also inside this Microsoft worksheet. And now you don't have to do this manually. You can simply build a connection between your Facebook Messenger and Microsoft Excel without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. So in this video, I will show you how you can create the connection. But before that, let me show you how this amazing automation that I have created is going to work in real time. Okay? So I will send a message towards my page Style Revolution, a Facebook Messenger message, and check whether the record of the message is automatically created in my Microsoft Excel worksheet or not. Okay. So I will open this Facebook page from a different account. So let me do that. So you can see this is a different account. Account's name is Michael Karras. You can see the name right here. Now this is the page. Towards this page through a messenger, I will send an inquiry message. Let me send this message. It says, "Hi Style Revolution. I hope you're doing well. I came across your page recently and absolutely love your collection. I'm looking to buy a few outfits and wanted to check some details before placing my order. I'm especially interested in your latest dresses collection. Do you have black, blue, green, pink or orange dresses available in the size M or L? Also, I saw a post of your denim jeans." You can see right over here, it's a long message. Forwarded. So now let me open my Microsoft Excel's worksheet and check whether I have created the record of this message that I have received or not. Okay, so let me open my worksheet, and inside my worksheet you will see the message was received from Michael Karras, and this is the exact message. "Hi Style Revolution, I hope you're doing well." You can see this is the message that I forwarded has been created as a record automatically. So this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time, and now we'll build a connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So simply on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now before we create this amazing automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay? So now on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you are an existing user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month. But if you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button right here. Now if you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select this classic version. I will select the classic version today. And for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Add Facebook Messenger chat messages in Microsoft Excel example, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select workflows folder. Click on this create button to create your own folder. From this plus button, you can create your own folders for yourself. Okay. As now the workflow has been created inside Pabbly Connect, there are two major steps. Principles of the automation. Trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger but multiple action steps. We are going to set up a trigger step first, in which for my trigger application, what I will do is I'll select it as Facebook Messenger. I want that as soon as I receive a new message on my Facebook page through Messenger, this trigger should capture the response of that so that we can create the record of the message into our Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay. Event is going to be new message sent to page, and then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook Messenger button. This is the account that I have, Jessie Matthew. I will continue with this account from this button as well as from this button. And as I've done that, the connection between Facebook Messenger and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. This connection was super easy because already on a new tab I've logged into my Facebook page. That is why the connection was super easy. For the page, I will select over here as Style Revolution because I want to capture the messages on this Facebook page that I have created. So for the page, I'll search for Style Revolution and select it. Okay. After selecting the Facebook page, as I want to capture the simple response in my trigger, I will toggle this button on and simply click on this save and send test request button. And it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook Messenger is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, on this page through a different account like I've showed you before, I will send another message and then check whether automatically my trigger inside Pabbly Connect captures the response of the new message or not. Okay. So through another account, let me send a new message. So this is the page. Let me send another message right here. That is, do you have any party wear dresses or premium casual wears in colors like black, white, navy blue or pastel shades? If possible, could you share the latest catalog or lookbook so that I can explore all the options together? So I've asked this another question right over here on the same page, Style Revolution. After asking the question, let me go back and check whether the trigger captured the response of this message from the account Michael Karras or not. Okay, so I'm going to open my workflow that I've created. Let me go back to my workflow. Scroll down and yes, you will see the response has been captured. The message is from Michael Karras. This is the message ID right over here, and the message is, do you have any party wear or premium casual dresses in colors? You can see the exact same message has been captured in the response. This means Facebook Messenger has now been connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let us add this new message into our Microsoft Excel worksheet. For that, we have to set up our action step, in which for the action application over here, I will select it as Microsoft Excel. Event is going to be add row to worksheet. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection. I will create a new one. For that, click on this connect with Microsoft Excel button. I've already logged into my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. That is why what I will do is I will click on this accept button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. That is why I have clicked on the allow button, and the connection was super easy because I've already logged into my Microsoft Excel worksheet, my account on a new tab. Okay. So now after selecting all the details, firstly we need to select the workbook. I have created a workbook in the name of FB Messages. So what I'll do is I'll search for this workbook. So I have selected the workbook, that is FB Messages. You can see right over here the same workbook. Drive ID, you need to select the drive ID. It will automatically be selected, and you have to select the worksheet which I've created in the name of sheet 1. You can see right here. After that, it is asking for column A first name, column B last name and column C message. These are the headers that I've created inside my workbook. You can see right here. Under the headers, I want to save the data of the username as well as the message. For that, we are going to map the data. Now, mapping is inserting data from the previous step. So I will insert the data from this previous step of my workflow. Simply click on this field. Previous step is going to appear. Click on it. And this is the first name of the user I've forwarded as a message. As I want to keep the record of the details of this message, that's response that we have captured, Select the data of the first name from the previous response. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of the mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the last name as well as the message right here, okay? And simply click on the save and send test request button. As I will do that, you will see I've received a response. This is a positive response right here, and over here you will see that automatically the record of this message has also been created. You can see right here, name is Michael Karras, and the message is the same message that we have forwarded on our Facebook Messenger. Now, as the record is going to be created, it will be very easy for you to tally out the messages are been replied to or the inquiries are been solved or not, okay? And you do not need to do anything manually, so the manual effort is also cancelled out using this amazing automation. Now, as this automation has been created, let me sum up. Now, whenever you will receive a new message on your Facebook Messenger, automatically the record of the message details is going to be created inside your Microsoft Excel. Now, I have taken the example of the fashion business in this video, but not only that, any business that you have, real estate, e-commerce, skincare, digital marketing, edutech, whatever business you have, for any of the businesses, you can create the record of the messages inside your worksheet. And if you want to use Google Sheets instead of the Microsoft Excel, you have to simply select the action application as Google Sheets and create the record in that as well. Now, this is how you create this amazing connection. If you have questions or doubts related to this amazing workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Now, if you want a free template of this workflow, you will find the shareable link in the description section. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.